Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are in the mood to cut your hair this season, today's video will feature 20 hot haircut ideas that you can try out and a 360 view of the styles. So here we have a bob haircut, followed by a curly tapered pixie cut. Very popular hairstyle if you do have natural curly hair and you're looking for a new way to wear it. Then we have a modern mullet. This one features shaven sides. Followed by another variation of a mullet. Beautiful silver color, gray. And then we have a silver platinum pixie undercut. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. Let us know in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video is your favorite. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a longer bob style, a lob that features curtain bangs. And then we have a ginger colored pixie. This one also features shaven sides and back. And then we have a longer modern mullet style. This haircut is very structured. It also features shaven sides, pointed bangs in the front. Very edgy and unique style. And then we have the curtain bangs with some U-parting going in the back, long layers. Followed by a pixie haircut. That is, of course, a longer pixie. Beautiful side swept feathered bangs with that one. And then we have more of like a wolf cut style. Great way to add some volume to your hair, as well as this style. So she also has like a mid-length cut and curtain bangs and tons of layers to really just help frame her face. This is a great option if your hair is thin and you want to add some volume to your strands. And then we have a finger waved pixie style. This one is all blonde. Followed by this shaggy haircut, gorgeous ginger color. Followed by this beautiful blonde lob haircut. And then we have a bit of a bob here. So she has feathered bangs, a shaven side, and hot pink hair. And then we see a bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Followed by another shaggy layered variation. Beautiful bangs in the front. Another great option for adding volume and some layers to your hair. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.